In this video, I'm going to show you how to send snaps without media upload showing on Snapchat. So if you don't want the media upload label to appear, just follow these steps. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the Snapchat app on your phone. Now, once Snapchat opens, tap on Director Mode. Now, after that, tap on the gallery icon to access your phone photos and videos. Now, from here, just select the photo or video you want to send as a snap, and once selected, tap Continue. Now, on the next screen, tap on Preview. Now, after previewing it, just tap on Send To. Now here, you can either send it directly to a friend or post it to your story. Now, once it's sent, the snap will be delivered without showing the media upload option. And that's it. That's how you send snaps without media upload on Snapchat. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.